Here. The current government came here, and it's not the government. When as I done you with this Nyanina, we call it Nyanina. By next year, by this time, you will be the president of Ghana.
Aban Suman Nikens for Gbabin, who paid the most corrupt a yes speaker, Wabekama one. May say, what do you find in court? A free channel, maybe.
Hello, hi, Xposed JSFM members. Pacho, subscribe, no bin sunya bin share. Here you know him in can for homo modi. Or Mama America say fe. Hooting off what? Hunger. Hooting away hunger. Ye pa no coming in as on Ghana. Ya mamre mu yedin. Na de bia no asem bi ka me say, "Onni min kan for year." E na wo hu oma. Uyi wani. Ye ka say nkofo mu nim sunsum pa en for. Sunsumu. The real Israelites, and people even don't know this. Na ya papa Bawumia ekoho. Bawumia ko ye no. Ye very something very significant. Me say ukwa shade ni we are mecheche omu. Yen kobra.
The current government came here, and it's not the government. When as I done you with this Nyanina, we call it Nyanina. By next year, by this time, you will be the president of Ghana. You sit 3 times, 3 times.
Wahu ade na papa ne digu ye Bawumia kom no ye fa ne nyanya wo a wonnim no se ade ne bi wo fi a eye for ahemfo the same time no epam sunsum boni bia fi wo ho the same time eye asma edro kese pa kofo kra nim nyanya no ni odigu ni kom no nyanya sabe ohene digu ni kom no rabedwama to me bia wo bia cut down obi wo any boni bia entimi fa hwe ohene no na ni oye no say ose me di ade we hye wo kon me de hye that say ne una be the president of Ghana obeka so we dey ati aboa audition ko he empremiensa miensa means perfection. Yesu owu in 3 days he was up. It means perfection. Enti senia ade no premiensa na sabe audition ko mean say it's done deal. Me say wonim enkranfo a wonte ne America na se. Ye kase omo ye Israel fo pa omo kasa enkranfo. Wolomefo no omo ye priest. Become priest after Samuel, Aaron, they are the high priests. And you know say enkranfo no ahindie no omo se na antiasiasa because na Nyankopon oni kasa true priest. Enti omo no say priest no ya ade a spiritually no more significant than say ohene be ya ade. Enti omo priest no omo si omo fam na wolo mefo no omo si omo fam. And enti no omo sha white uko omo dem a me rabi dem da omo be white. Eyen sa de frɛ because sabe omo pefi na mimi de ade no de gu ni komedi metiase bia wona antiase. Fast forward Okatakyie frifa Angel TV waka asemi me ma hye me se maka jam say this is a political year ti be dwa na dwa kakra na dwa kakra video bi ade bae no mimi de anyam na mekan o say ya papa Sumani Gbabin, Speaker of Parliament, the 10th gentleman of the land, or corrupt. And I'm Kayo. Would you meet him? You got a video, Nimbra, Sam Kaya, Yakomra.
Aban Suman Nikens for Gbabin, who paid the most corrupt a yes speaker, Wabekama one. May say, what do you find in court? A free channel, maybe. Nothing can you win a babwama mount for and so more munyama, Bamukurano had your way. Me na me make a statement. Me say privileges committee will be anti me frame. Urban Kingsford Sumani Bawumia were here, Speaker of Parliament, the most corrupt speaker we've ever seen in the history of this country. And more passive evidence yet, Baba. And Yama way you know where I see a mamma for you. Now, I'm going to say, Nippon Crow, what your position, when Yama Bemuno, how corrupt they are.
Exactly so.
May my catch them as a man can't be a moment from where privileges come to order. If the frame and I as a whoop more at it. And I'm a black rasta. Lawyer need be a mefasi and corner about queer young copacho in Mechi. In Mechi, no more Muyan Fununqua, dear Banano. Huh? They say more some Huna Motri Moody. Will be our dear Baba to be a mammy war. Anna General Secretary, Justin Kodria, was so called Bonono, more appointees, you know. Mumina, what dejecting Crofona Mohon, Monqua, yes, or Bobudi. We didn't what your mammy had a manim. Maybe Bomudi, a free china, maybe Bomudi, Adiabano. A free china called Yuma Yabayan, Yabebre.
Ah, what could you, we are marshal? Or say, Mopa, more friend or privileges committee. Now, more friend now or the evidence, Beba. Or say, Assam no cano, Yera Gbabin, onim Assam no or cano. Say, Yera Gbabin or a corrupt. And Yamen America. What a Okatakyie no can Assam. But you see, Ayana min blaming Yama Bebre. The system that we are in, Emma Sabe, Obiet Mika Bibi Ope. Number 2, system now so many pa let me go around the system in a way. I mean the constitution. Emma and Confoye Myanmar, they will be accountable to it, that especially politicians. Because the way I have crafted constitution, it favors the politician, and the ordinary person has no say. Constitution on a one-man rule. There are no checks and balances anywhere. I didn't necessarily no. You can't check the presidency. You can't check any individual. That the constitution is made for the politicians, and they enjoy the largesse of our country. And yet, near Papa Weka and make us a balance. I'm talking about, say, we need to revisit the constitution and make sure, say, constitution, good. But going forward, Okatakyie me pacho. Ya Papa Gbabin, oye ni paketwa. Oyo be a more rising, well-respected politician. Sabe, who will be krana? I don't think this is the right way to go. In all respects, with all due respects, he's the third gentleman of my motherland, Ghana. Oyobia, Sabe, who you president Nifiyo? Now we vice Nifiwa, or a third in command. Sabe, president your vice Niwa, or no be president. Timpacho Sanipano, Yankasano Hosa. The way I can minim say no crow and no crow, but that is not the way to go. Me pacho, with all due respect. Na Yera Gbabin, me pacho say no crow be so ma, be you wano. Because any a guy ne can say, more friend or privileges. More friend or the evidence, beba. Makacha mo, ye ra December, fire ne beba, e buy the bet one, it bet one mamo. Every day, ye boha. I expose you, Chef Bruce. On subscribe, subscribe. No, be soon, bye bye.